Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use components in Figma step by step. Components are one of the most useful features in Figma because they help you create reusable design elements, keep your designs consistent, and save a lot of time. Whether you're a complete beginner or already using Figma, this tutorial will help you understand components in a very simple way. So let's get started. First, open a new Figma design file. Now press R and draw a rectangle. Next, press T and type Sign Up. This creates a simple button. Select both the rectangle and the text. Then click the Create Component icon at the top. Your button is now a component. Next, press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to make a copy. This copy is called an instance. Now, select the main component and change its color. As you can see, the instance updates automatically. This is the biggest advantage of using components. Next, select the instance and change only the text. Notice that the main component does not change. This lets you customize each instance while keeping the original design. Components help you save time, keep your designs consistent, and make updates much easier. That's how you use components in Figma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.